HuggingChat and Ollama both allow you to create unfiltered, uncensored AI content. Today we're going to figure out which one of these two platforms are better. Okay, jumping into HuggingChat now. This will allow you to unleash your AI potential. Now, it is an open source product, so it's developed by Hugging Face. If you've gone and had a look at Hugging Face, it's got a ton of tools for you to use, and it's got full transparency. It is community driven, and it is a stark contrast to closed source commercial alternatives. So if you ever have used any of these alternatives, such as Claude, ChatGPT, Grok, like any of that, right? It is completely different to that. You can choose from powerful LLMs like Llama, NVIDIA, and it's tailored for complex reasoning, creative writing, and everything in between. We're not just talking creative writing and complex reasoning like simple stuff. We're talking about like some really advanced, crazy stuff. And if you're really looking for something that's unrestricted, then HuggingChat is really a good product for you. It's unlike any of the mainstream chatbots with their rigid content filters. It enables genuine freedom of expression. It's ideal for role play, creative writing, and adult-orientated content. This doesn't mean that it only creates adult-orientated content. What it means is that it dives deeper to get an understanding of what it is that you need, and it stops giving you nice guy answers. Also, there are no paywalls, there's no tedious signups. It's got advanced AI capabilities that are available literally immediately to everyone, and you can access it anywhere. All right, having a look just beyond its basic features. It's got an assistant, right? So it's an open source alternative to custom GPTs. You can build and deploy specialized AI agents to any workflow or task. It also offers rich tool integrations which allow you to equip assistants with web browsers, URL fetching, image generation, which is via Flux, or Pollination's AI, voice cloning, and RAG document parsing. So also it gives you a multi-module capability, which includes an image generation, which is completely uncensored. It gives you assisted power by Qwen 2.5 for high quality unrestricted image creation, and you can inspect, replicate, or improve upon any model's inner workings, which is a level of control simply unavailable in your proprietary AI systems. Alright, so looking at Ollama now, it is a local AI orchestration platform that runs open source large language models entirely on your very own local hardware. There are absolutely no cloud requirements. This privacy-focused solution gives you more control over your data and supports offline operations. Now, in some instances, cloud-based activity is fantastic because if you are using more than one device, it is great. You get to sync all of your devices. However, having the privacy-focused solution and having everything run locally on your machine is also a fantastic option. Of course, you'd have to decide which one of those two options actually suits your needs best. It supports multiple popular models, including Llama 3.2, Mistral, Code Llama, and Phi 3. You can also see over here it prioritizes data sovereignty and private computing, and it enables local AI without any specialized hardware. Some of the key features over here is their local inference. So all data stays on premises, making this option ideal for privacy. If you have any sensitive applications or confidential information, this will not be exposed. It also uses simple commands to download, update, delete models from an ever-growing library of open source LLMs. You also have mod customization, so you can tailor your interface behaviors without retaining through customizable configuration files. And also it is a completely cross-platform, so it can run on Mac, Linux, with experimental Windows support for maximum accessibility. The last thing that we're going to have a look here is some of their use cases. So you can develop AI-powered products quickly without cloud reliance or ongoing API costs. You can deploy in regulated, air-gapped, or secure settings where data can't leave the premises, and you can maintain strict data sovereignty and privacy compliance for more sensitive business operations. So there we go, folks. There are a bunch of uncensored AI, unfiltered tools out there. Go ahead and check some of them out and see which one actually works for you. If this video was helpful, drop us a like. We'll see you next time.